HMD Global has launched its new entry-level smartphone in Philippines called HMD Asha 305 Lite. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The HMD Asha 305 Lite features a 5-inch LED display with 2-megapixel selfie shooter located at the top bezel. The rear panel of the phone houses a 2-megapixel main camera at the top left corner. Under the hood, the HMD Asha 305 Lite comes powered by UniSoC T137 chipset paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a removable 2,500 mAh battery, which is claimed to deliver up to 32 hours of standby time, and it runs on Android open-source project based on Pulse OS skin on top. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 147 by 71.5 by 10.2 millimeters. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The HMD Asha 305 Lite has been priced in Philippines at 3,990 Philippine pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in mist black and glacier green color options. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Asha 305 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.